So I've got this simple tricep thing. It's on a pulley. So this was a pulley from like a TRX type trainer, and this cord was as well. And then I've got these handles, and all I've done is I've knotted them with this metal plate, but you could get like a round disc or a washer or something, just so that doesn't go through, and then they go independently. You clip this on your machine. You're gonna do rope triceps, but what you can do with this is you're holding this straight, and then you can go one hand at a time, keeping the other hand still. So this hand that's not moving, if I wasn't applying pressure, you got that isometric stretch on it, or that isometric hold. So when I'm pushing down, this arm wants to wobble, but I'm holding it there. So I can get a set singly armed, change it, single, double. So you can get a bit of a drop set. With one bit of kit, and that saved me buying a tricep rope. And this is stuff you might have in the gym, or stuff you could easily make with similar stuff. All you need is a pulley.